Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss that how we can translate. So I have already shown you the application. Okay, translate all, translator and VPN. So we can use this is very fantastic. This is free of cost, so advertisement will come here. So VPN has been opened, so we can select the language. First of all you have to download, then you can use the languages. Okay, and you can put your text and you can translate by here. So this is very good. And if you are worried that how you can translate your documents, means a written page, so you have to open here camera translate. By this you can translate, and if you want to translate by the gallery, so you can translate by the gallery as well. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so do not forget to like and subscribe, place a bell icon and get the new update. Thank you for watching.